Welcome back to my channel! Today I'm sharing 5 life hacks you need to know. These are super easy ways to upgrade your living space and simplify your life. And they're perfect if you're feeling stuck in a clutter rut. Let's start with some instant gratification. Hack number 1 is called the 1 box rule. Grab a box and label it keep, donate, and trash. Quickly sort through your belongings. If it brings you joy and has a purpose, keep it. If not, decide whether it should be donated or thrown away. Don't overthink it. If you find yourself torn, set a timer for 1 minute. If you can't find a use for the item within that time, let it go. Remember, you can always buy something new if you really need it. And with the exception of sentimental items, try to be ruthless. After doing this with various boxes around your home, you'll feel accomplished and inspired. And now, let's move on to our second hack, the 12-12-12 challenge. Give yourself a playful challenge to stay motivated. Find 12 items to throw away, 12 to donate, and 12 to keep. Here is how it works. For each category, make a pile, and then try to find uses for the items in the don and maybe piles. You might discover something you hadn't noticed before. Can a vase be used for storing pens? Could a scarf become a headband? Get creative! If you have multiple uses for an item, assign it to a different category. For example, an old t-shirt could go to rags instead of being thrown away. Try not to get sidetracked by other areas while you are Concentrate on going through the items in your existing piles and finding alternate uses for them before making a final decision. Set a timer for 1 hour and see how many piles you can complete. You can finish the challenge later if you don't complete all 3 piles in an hour. Make it a game and have fun with it. Play upbeat music in the background to keep you energized. Okay, on to hack number 3. 1 surface at a time. Instead of overwhelming yourself by trying to tackle your entire house, focus on 1 surface at a time. Start with a cluttered area that bothers you, such as a messy desk, kitchen counter, or shelf. Completely clear the surface. If there's too much stuff, break it down further. For instance, if you're working on a cluttered desk, remove everything from the top of your desk, then sort through it and put back only the essentials. Donate or discard the rest. Once you've got 1 surface looking great, move on to the next area. You'll build momentum and feel a sense of accomplishment as you go. Before you know it, your whole house will be more organized. So far, we've talked about sorting physical items, but what about digital decluttering? Our 4th hack is to declutter your digital life. Minimalism isn't just about your physical space. Clutter in your digital life can be just as overwhelming. Take some time to delete unused apps on your phone. Organize files on your computer and unsubscribe from those annoying email chains. You'll find that this kind of digital detox can free up mental space too. So take a deep breath, close unnecessary tabs, and give both your mind and your devices a well-needed reset. Now let's talk about how to maintain a clutter-free home with our last hack. The daily 5-minute reset. We've all been there after a long day. You just want to relax. But when your home is messy, it can be hard to unwind. That's where the daily 5-minute reset comes in. Spend 5 minutes each day tidying up a small space like a coffee table or entryway. This little habit prevents clutter from piling up and keeps your living areas peaceful. It's like a mini decluttering session without the pressure of transforming your whole house in one go. So, set a timer and dedicate a few minutes each day to keeping your living spaces neat. You'll appreciate having a clean house without sacrificing your precious free time. As you can see, decluttering your life doesn't have to be a daunting task. By incorporating these simple hacks into your routine, you can transform your living space without feeling overwhelmed. From the 1 box rule to the daily 5-minute reset, each approach offers a unique way to simplify your life and find peace in a clutter-free home. So why not give them a try and discover which works best for you? Remember, decluttering is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and enjoy the benefits of a more minimalist lifestyle. And if you're looking for more inspiration to simplify your life, check out our other videos on minimalist travel, wardrobe, and mindset. And here are some additional minimalist tips to get you started. Simplify your wardrobe. Create a capsule wardrobe with versatile pieces you love and wear often. Donate or sell clothes that no longer fit, flatter, or serve your current lifestyle. This will not only declutter your closet, but also make getting dressed in the morning a breeze. You'll have fewer decisions to make and always have something stylish to wear. Plus, you'll avoid impulse purchases and reduce textile waste. Downsize your kitchen? Pare down duplicate gadgets, unnecessary appliances, and excessive dish. You might be surprised by how much you can live without. Keep only the kitchen tools and appliances you use regularly. As for the rest, consider donating them to those who might find them useful. When you cook, you'll appreciate the extra space and fewer dishes to clean. Practice mindful consumption. Before buying anything new, ask yourself if it's a want or a need. Consider the item's quality, durability, and how often you'll use it. Opt for experiences over material possessions whenever possible. The memories you create will last a lifetime and bring you more joy than any fleeting trend. By being mindful of your purchases, you'll reduce waste, save money, and free up space in your home. Embrace digital minimalism. Unsubscribe to email newsletters you never read, delete unused apps on your phone, and organize your files on your computer. You'll find that minimizing your digital life can reduce stress and increase your productivity. Set boundaries for social media use and choose which apps bring value to your life. Make it a family affair. Involve your family members in the decluttering process. Set aside time to sort through belongings together. This is a great opportunity to bond with your loved ones while simplifying your lives. It's never too early to teach kids the value of minimalism and decluttering. So, get everyone involved. Turn it into a fun activity and make it a regular habit. Remember, embracing minimalism is a personal journey. Pick the elements that resonate with you and adapt them to your own needs and preferences. It's not about deprivation, but rather about making conscious choices that align with your values and bring you peace. By implementing these minimalist tips, you'll create a living environment that reflects who you are and allows you to thrive. Thank you so much for watching! If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more minimalist tips. And if you'd like to share your own decluttering experiences or ask any questions, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Have a wonderful day. And remember to like or subscribe if you want to poo tomorrow. Bye.